Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Frontier front bumper. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery. Remove the grille clips and lower splash shield to access bumper bolts. Use a trim tool to carefully pry plastic retainers without cracking them. Keep labeled containers for bolts and clips to simplify reassembly. Inspect fasteners for rust and replace any damaged hardware before reinstalling the bumper. Gather tools before you begin to avoid interruptions and help the job go smoothly. You will need a socket set, trim tool, ratchet, torque wrench, and replacement clips. Wear eye protection and gloves and keep a flashlight handy. Lift height only if necessary using ramps or jack stands, never jack alone. Label each fastener bag by location to speed reassembly and take phone photos for reference. Have a magnetic tray for small parts. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy hands-free help while working on your Frontier, try the Echo Dot smart speaker. It plays repair videos, timers, and voice notes so you can keep your hands free and your focus on the job. If you like this helpful tip, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing upper grille screws and carefully lifting the grille away from clips. Next, remove hidden bolts in wheel wells and beneath the splash shield using a 10 mm socket. Support the bumper while removing center bolts to avoid dropping it and have an assistant help on larger models. Disconnect fog light connectors and unclip sensors before pulling bumper straight off. Inspect foam absorber and brackets for damage. Store parts by step order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.